Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Yo, oh moment, oh woman moment. Otanihiano we wana ni we social media na venuta yo wa yimarwe kiege. Oh wa yagbon ruwe kiege. Na wari ladian wa we Johnny Bizugbo a president. Ahwe wari ladian wa we Dimofio a president. Iyahwe wa we boy na no rinne wodogo ozubuni or a president. Deni maagi rievo no rie president wadameo nevo lobo ema ayegi amegiena amaegie nevo lobo ema amaegie they shock me oh Joe he shock him oh oh they shock you he shock he shock him oh me matter where this period na wajena na iwe video say Jesse even na gbon ama we gbe wa ato ye me nogie do pe ano wa ato era menera no wadami ho ona na president ahwe not by president a presidential name in ourselves oye weti me mi na wa ko ina ko mana watie me ave fancy me ni wo go me no mania na ma me wa gbon. Honestly, it is good to be good. Sometimes your fans can save you from many things. You know, where Ugo, you are bigger than all these things. Ugo, working your presidential name, amigo, Babare. Wagwa looking about. Eya we bobo. Okay, I was very happy. In fact, we was very happy where Amune Johnny Bizugbe, where Johnny Bizugbe, all the president of social media. Fine. Since Toby, I'm not sure. See, if GPC said that they not cram Johnny Bizugbe as president, no, we don't even claim her for GPC hand. Say not be GPC. Now we know people we warm the chop food for their stomach. Now we know people wey fit that position. When a boy any yeni, yes, I might him me a boy any fool or see another me way, yes. A boy any binayo we peace yagaro. Mona know what I play some audio for una. Mona see where this boy for talk. When me this boy with many presenters for talk. He na cover on we boy na make boy na gwan. Who does that? What are we talking? J.O. best. I go tell you. If you say me I will send the video come for you personally, I will send that come for you personally. May you listen to them. Anna progress dominion not cause anybody oh no that to be where you dey cause so na my personal person you abeg na your brother oh abeg we abeg no cause no insult we abeg nobody should insult each other here mona no vex J.O. I go send that for you via messenger you understand make you listen to am. May you see our conversation all of us that day wetin we talk emi ni matter vedo you understand Johnny Bizugbe ne presidential wa agweni emi ne Johnny Bizugbe gbinayi na our favor na everybody favor but people for social media because Facebook dey pay them they no want make dem take am. How can you just come out on social media you just because of somebody come out for social media? You are not a presenter now. You just come out. I want to disgwagwa Ugo today. Ugo, I go disgwagwa Ugo today. Message to Ugo. They'll begin the disgwagwa. Does that make you a presenter? No worry. Now because Toby never understand progress. Progress, no man I understand it, no worry, I understand. We understand it, man. Okay, now the presidential nare menu go iwe video pa begin na kick against ina we Johnny Bizugbe, you are proud that you are a enemy president. Gbogbo this and this. But it do win and Johnny Bizugbe win na we no gele ya react, we no gele ya who. Yes. Ogele we mi ese unu ma wa emi ebe social media na Johnny Bizugbe na mo picture mala jana we so message so person wa adam na wo sie emena rena awe Johnny Bizugbe gwe mo bati yi Esther Gwan fin egene Johnny Bizugbe ya gwe Esther Gwan ogbera ne mana vetie Johnny Bizugbe mana we Johnny Bizugbe we Esther sister yi o ma kan we kan star we mo just leave Esther matter really a man anagele obey man anagele stop the star now why na gide gbe na do vulo ladin ayena o ma kan Esther kan Johnny Bizugbe o ma kan Johnny Bizugbe kan Esther wa we na be do ta ovie wo payan hin ovie do payan kede ye kori omo yan eva hin iye kori omo gbe iye kori omo wa awawua as soon as ugu fi ori omo ri mani gbera ne ugu lago bi man evidian awawua okay iyan eva hen o debo payan kede iyan hen ni yan ya settle emi na dere vana mi wo na do ade be social media na mi we ti dewu wegbe na we cure ewu wegbe. We understand. I will not give the Mofi a settle, no Gayami the Mofi. That is none of our business. A normal nihi. That one a normal. No if you go beg, if you go beg the Mofi or if you go tell the Mofi so that ne some nafu. A normal nihi. Problem ironi. That one a normal. But you know if you kick against one side, you know if you kick one side against one side. You understand? For me will go. The only okanu wawa gwogo mewa asi ya hwenu wawa tete unu wawa do ya talo ne wawe la wadia. Oni makame. Na Johnny Bizugbe na mi no say be our president because emi no ma adiewo ukpa ya hon and emi no ma arewo ukpa be ya hen. Ni market e boy ni market e Johnny Bizugbe na market e president emi ma do wa we mi mama won wo is wo social media ni hin o se enemi mama o wa ge bo eni owo kan o se enemi mana ma yes o wa ge owo kan de tu wari e mo kan na awe eri orobie no paro okan no ro no re ni makame e mo no robie be social media ori egbin alaje be social media no robie o ma we ni amwe bogbe nokpa na amwe bogbe nokpa na amwe bogbe nokpa na amwe bogbe nokpa na amwe bogbe nokpa yin yari egbin ala di na rovie oni ma camera okpa is none of anybody's business. We understand? Nebo ni ya a president or press him no bun down because ivo or bun wa viori social media no wa te ado ya zodu na be social media Johnny Bizugbe na or kio wa down Johnny Bizugbe na or kio wa down or si anana miewe ivo ya nu wate viori wate do ya zodu na be social media or magba enu wa. Now, who can do have money? I will Johnny Bizugbe or a president. Egene di mofina ga president if egene oga agwoge no hin agwoge no de. Oga agwoge Roma agwoge yoma. Ovie piche maladian. Ovie piche man on ro wala, ovie piche man on ro dela, ovie piche man on ro wala dian. ija mano rigwe arisi le picture arisi lo ladian era ma no viere no ekosu se kian vi gweba ai vie picture di mo fi vie picture go vi ladian oga mu ebo gbe no kian mu ebo gbe no do ga tie bo mo ga tie gbiwo unu edem unu gbagba emi Johnny Bizu gbe na ga tie ona ga tie big ona ga tie bo mo unu gbagba mi Johnny Bizu gbe na ga mu ebo mo gbo ma ona ga mu ebo gbe no ebo mo gbe no kian ona ga mu ebo mo gbe no de unu gbagba mi o wala wo a social media now everybody should take time. Everybody should take time. When a boy wa eko president ni he like in fact he I can feel where he din on din but I don't know but he think I will din on din no ya meti a boy ni but I don't know. The fact is that where is my president a president in mewa no my boy all say my cool my Johnny Bizu gbe all say but a president in me no where ogweme yala ogode yala ọmọ na agugun oririe no ima tie Johnny Bizu gbe na Johnny Bizu gbe ina we since we president wukina nwayo pin down siemi ya koto eko siemi koto this boy take me we at your man we a president or imanu ka me we don siemi koto all the gbe sie la dia na emi ya de gbe ve. What are we talking? What are we talking? Johnny Bizu gbe is our president. He still remain our social media president. You know. Ye man ye social media president. No vie pishi maladi han. No bitre di man. Mani yo ko no vie mo boni ma ya kun ko. Ona so ona vi maladi ona gbeli ma ona gbe ma go na be. Ona gbeli ma zanzan. We are when Madoti were president man. Agwa. Johnny Bizu gbe no ware na Maria as a president man. Oga be gbe ma wa ku edori ya hon. Ruda ọmọ no mari ti e wo yan rie president man na o ma zo rere badima. Ibizu gbe ma fi pe gbe mo no banedo. Ibizu gbe ma fi pe gegwa. Ibizu gbe ma erovie khaime o ma erovie obo o ma fi obo gbe yudo ire Johnny Bizu gbe ni ana bere me na e ma e wo keke ni ana bere me ni an ri mogbon ado awewe gbe ti imo he ni na gun be bi ah o awuru pa na wo ni abere me Ibizu gbe o ma ezo rere badima Ibizu gbe ma fi ogbo gbe yudo o ma rovie no kian ma rovie no de o ma ti ebo no boni ma me wo wa ma ti ebo ne ikadele ma ya de do yi Ibizu gbe ma rovie gwa o ma rovie khame we understand ahian genigi ahian gowe o ma no ma fi obogbe yudo aga ahian mo ma gie o ma no ma fi obogbe yudo aga we understand me wala wo when a boy ni wa ko reva ni as a president a boy ni mama ti yeva a boy ni or a president or a social media ni man because a piece raw of 10 oge a piece or raw with 10 oge e ya hwere e ya ma emi ne boy ni guorin ya yive social media e mebe tebe guorin ya yive social media okpa no I wiki ne orien giro orien gigweme ya we ahion mane be mi arisi oboyo wa owere since 2015 Okpele ni ya. I wiki ne. Igi mori oni verio. Ake ka we Johnny Bizugbege nyon e president ma. A vote, ari vote na gboya na agogo. Not pa bedian webedian, not pa webedian, not pa wewodo, not pa wewodo. Johnny Bizugbege president o. Now, vosin wahina do fear. Wanika ka we Johnny Bizugbege president. Wari we do la dem social media den na weri yon president. Don waya doloi. Don waya dolo. Me mama me ye president. De social media me president Johnny Bizugbege me. If anybody is a president, Johnny Bizugbege me no a social media president. Me mama be right from D1 to this extent to Vena Guana, me mama me ye president. Johnny Bizugbege ni me ye president. And Johnny Bizugbege si rume the president. Oh, when Agboya fefe reject then na we yon ye president. Yon ye president for me. Ya we evo so bo mama ayevona. Ave maigi ama we. Ave maoba. Owe ojo bagye never baga. Ojo bagye never baga. Etiyon yewo no nemen mawunu osakpa enke no ya mehwe ona bweze levare. Sakpa enke no ya mehwe ona bweze levare. Osakpa enke no ya mehwe ona bweze levare. Osalobwa ogba enke no ya meno hien yi. No gi ma yahwe ona bweze levare. Osi no banari oba. Ovi oba ori oba. So, eriojene Johnny Bizugbege. Osalobo ahen we yes obinye mana me peace. With social media na ona boe levare. What are we talking? Vowau. Ave mi mata bu no wa. Mota social media we oma do gbe me social media do robi me social media e ma gyo we nu ya challenge oma no nuru dame fiemi ni werie. Okay, well if Facebook go get peace na Monica hand e dey make una tell Monica to mind her business on social media. Amana fi pege Monica ga kwani oma. Amana tell me Monica ga kwani oma. Monica to boy as soon as we Johnny Bizugbege or a social media president then Monica ni ye oga zogege badima ona mwe matter ogoma ladian na my expert or na my egun ayi or na my kawesi ayi wan bi si ayi no bi oga mwe matter that ona agun ma or etiti Monica or enene Johnny Bizugbege na oga etiti Monica we Monica a video ni drop o mani nu wete mo eni o o my server yo. We understand. I will drop or the mama. Everybody no gbe na me we hian hen mama. Monica wari mama fine. I can me Monica video ni drop mama never else get as the hot. I'll drop a video ni. Monica, I'll drop a video ni sharp. Mana agugwa we padomo pa lawo we video nu wa obon nu wa temo eni lawo we pa we temo ere no ya yere yo o we bonata nai ni eme na mi we social media ni eme na mi we Facebooking. I felt tell una for this social media everybody will respect presenters mokpa mi ugo. I can never respect one the presenter. Ejani Bizugbe of your book you do ban moka vladin do vai ido vai wewa. Moka ladin ikwisun agwo ogo. Ya kan we vai wewa e be social media yin. O e forum in ma ye mi ana vai wewa. E wo ge be social media mo go ma kyokyo be social media. Memory na tata toto. O imi ati e personally igwo ya igwo ne ya imugbegbo hun ne ipa obe lati social media we message to go obe telephone ibe degbe yi no ba be call e ibe gwo wa wa understand e boy ni makesun ati e social media president emi ma Demi mama ve tenore boy ni e manema game ma won hu dan ahin awen is wo social media e ba boy fi ekun le lu wa hu dan iyo menwe bia aja weza lo wa don wa mui domon wa hiari mu wani kala di ado ka we Johnny Bizugbo president wa rive de gbedo lati an we o rive Johnny Bizugbo president ya every month wa ya fi presidential weria deri on te Buhari apaware ne I Bizugbo ma he no a president or man no a president or social media yes doma no temata wa hin emi ne Johnny Bizugbo gbina yi wana geleteke emi ya de wa ma no temata they not say no working na temata rundige social media we understand rundige social media egi wa temata wala de nenemi owa agu wa pa mi nenemi wa ahun wa na wu nasi good news ma obokin mo wa to agbon ama won nasi good news old school many a problem ironi okun we rigbene sara logo I block we because old school working no ana to no ana ma mewa gbon nasi good news sia if overthrowing is allowed na forward we dey go no be backward we dey go na degbe ka wa degbe retrieve adegbe re go back where na who fit be president I still be president we no fit do anybody as president the first election president wey dem elect for my present say yes na this one come be president na be Johnny Bizugbe oge no you know do ladi an we social media president me ma honi a vote ne we vote ne me vote me mo vote ne o ma na vote na ma we president so Johnny Bizugbe ma you know ladi an win ori president a vote ne dawe vote ne bush lion na where you are a social media godfather yes that vote in a bush lion social media godfather and I vote atiti social media ni ave ne post ni ave munatiti then yen na mu nokpa mo pa ni atemu president na no le oni na be le so I only le na imo okay ba iwe na ada iwe okay next election de gbe ladia ada mu ne Johnny Bizugbe so ajaja ne amiami o Iyenu iya fefefe okpase yo where you are the president kazen koso kovan babeke ya fefefe or voting Ibizugbe where you are the president man no why you know that ladian wey na me be social media president even okpa ladian wey do win a social media king I will vote you only va where bana where so person like this or a social media king now vote na ni onya the king no do you know ladian do ka we in a social media king. That is it. Although when the president na voro nagbina ye mi rokpati ro nagbina I bet idolevo osioba ne Johnny Bizugbe ya arriva odole mi yi. Yes. ne Johnny Bizugbe no ya revani odolemi yi e remote control ni ya lonu wa ya be sun apin wa ni ya be lo enu wa ne pien ya be pien enu wa de wa be sun Ugo wa be sun ya be pien remote wa ne ya be de gbe yuhun wa ya fe be sonia nu wuwu a be sun agbelegbu wa o wa be sun na wa ye nwa we wa hon abu meni mama abu be me ni huhun a wa ye nwa be we niya nu wa ko ye nwa we lega wala oge Johnny Bizugbe la wo enogie oteme eno na my blood oteme no wala Johnny Bizugbe la wo la oge la diane nogie la ho eberi grudges iropa ye ho won la wo otun eno la ho otun enogie kin la wo la reti ebo reti mi ropa una be ladian wetu we ladian be nogie wetin address e se la wo e ke una ti ebo ne nogie e wa una ti ebo me rundame ya be nogie se nogie a Johnny Bizugbe la wo ra me nira world presido la wo la e ke una ti ne nogie e wa una ti me la wo uga e wo ri ogo me uwo e ihin uwuri ogo me la ogo na wari e mefo Johnny Bizugbe la ra menira la wo dadi la ogo nuri e me fanfan imion ibere wa to agbon amawen la wo rero vie nogie geti e bonne nogie buwe ude denu na ladian be social media wa buwe ude nu ewe won la wo kayo we oma em no ewu kayo we wa be cash cruise you understand oma mine enogie yeberi o enogie do eti do gun ave social media babana we ga mi face to face ivanu we na do mi we e o ma no gun me gun ave social media na rin emi ro pa egu ewe enogie yeri o ebe o ma dan enogie o ma dan to God and man enogie o ma dan uga mi enogie be face to face wa we enogie o ma dan la wo Johnny Bizugbe do yin mi awe world presido we ma ye president mama ma be den ata kin wo ma be o ye president we ma ye president la wo ra menira la wo Bizugbe la se egwe me nogie se nogie aye la wo ge la dian ne nogie u ga do bo la dian wa bo o de otun ne kere ino otun ne kere ino la wo la rudi vie va no dari agbon rudo mo no ka be ro ivie va kevere rudo hu no rie yowa rudi menugo la wo Johnny Bizugbe ge me bi gwe la wo uri ogo me ona kin asiezo ni ma be we ogo nuri eme emi na gun ama we gbe kuwe ko mo kuwe ka ame la wo e o si eni na gege do we video na la o vere na ye na ma keke ni mede we video at all la wo mami na ive eko yi style gwe ban we we ma hen ye president wo a president orima you understand Bizugbe you are the world president emi so bowe ma bere mi no ma wo bowe ma bere benu ya ko dole mi ya yi u dole mi ya yi ma mion ma ni gugwa be social media na mama kan ma emi ni ma o ma be gugwa ma be follow wa wan kan won Johnny Bizugbe la wo la ora menira la o se no gie aye re la diane se a uga do bobe ladia wa bo ode no ewe owe no otun ne hire no la wo bizugbe la o. As soon as where you are respecting me, you are giving me my regard la wo we kenuna rovi noge eba no na be rovi me ruda ihimi awe yone la wo baba ne baba se noge ai la wo we oye president ima eme na ata eba kame be na ata se you are still our president, world presido, a president ima ohi umie we call you eba I was not happy. We call you eba if yati we presido, world president la wo we man ye president ima menugo odo tave dene na we Johnny Bizugbe man ye president mama ma we ye president mama ma we ye president the president ni mahama we la wo do ya dollar do wa dollar ni ma we o ma we rin na o ma gui o ila don ya kin saga o we no ma ni hin ahun o ga ri gbori gbegbo ma ni hun o ga mo pisho mo ladian o ga mo pisho ho ladian o ga mo pisho ho ladian o ga unu gba wa emi Johnny Bizugbe na do ami e be social na do ami e be social media we eri ekpu we no ko ye plop eri ekpu we no ko ye pa eri ekpu we no ko giame wa mi o be ri o eri akpi koru hu ekpu we no ku eri emi fe ba no ye tiko eri oru hu ekpu we no ku wa emi o be ri have social media so egbo ma be ri o ma gwa lo be social media president egbe e mani do age ekpu we hu we no ekpu wo hu ye we understand no ladon do age ekpu wo hu we no ekpu wo hu ye wala wo iyo salobo ayin mi wa ọmọ ni ma hen ye president o Johnny Bizugbe Edo greater no anato Helen Omajuwa Omoregie no anato bagbon agbon na ma won yo meke ebi do pa log we yeye ọmọ ni ma hen be social media no a president o Johnny Bizugbe Johnny Bizugbe ma ro bi khame o ma ro bi egwa o ma ro bi edo Johnny Bizugbe ma fi pegyo bo o ma fi pegyo hen o ma fi pegye ikadele ni ma ya dedo yi yen ma hen ye president I ma we to ma gbe o tiyen be ma gbe bete o ma ewe mi na ya ka we o na ri omo o ama gwe no ga igba o evie pishera o evie pishi juwe ba amu eme we gie o evie pishi obuwe o evie pishi kenuye o evie pishi no pa ege na ye fake life mufie gan ege na arrest le kona ya fefe na viole le gan with fake life ni a live ni ege na yo ge muye gan ege no ere gan Thank you very much, Helen. No one at all agbon. Ege na musion oge yo hun. Oge soro na we na ba me no go na totin to da imaye sun yu hun refo. Imaye sun yu hun refo. Who does that? Who goes that? Anyone is able high. Okay, can wa lo 99 intelligence yo wa. Why who the way you know. On a president No. Idol level or a president or Rima or man be Johnny Bizugbe. Idol level or a president or Rime or man be Johnny Bizugbe. No si oliri dovara ye social media. No si vunri. Igbina ekpo be social media be regime or rien. No. The person who we know as a social media president is Johnny Bizugbe. A 10 or a PCV rotwing. A law, ne Johnny Bizugbe mure, the meeting in Mado. Eya mighty do ya na learn cancel a meeting ni. They not fit now, they run, all of them run. Well, because they feel safe, they not do saga, they not fit chop. If they not do saga, food not dey their table. If they not do saga, they not see viewer. Megwa ma we saga. Uga akboru no sugbo me, ido analyze. Iga analyze ni, iye ko ata gwe tun. Wa mi saga me hash. I know the hash for my saga. Iye ko ata hiri. We medo. Wori gwi megwana menugo. Iye ko ata tun. Memi o ko agberagbiye. Me ti agberagbiye. Iye ko wogo me meken. O ma we kporu no sugbo me, we kporu no sugbo e. Ime ge we umege me. Ime mi ni wo ma e. Wa mi me face to face ogiogi e. Ogo me ko hian. Iwo me mi rokpa. Betu ave tiere, iye ko bi ata gwe hiri. Ome keni ave tase, o wokpa eva, iye we. Wa be mi wa ko goge gwi. Ihunu we magi be mu me. Ere la fi meji. Ne Johnny Bizugbe ya la o. Ivo ya fefe nu waga manifest in social media vege ni. A boy nana make sure we go who waya mi wa ri oto o yegbe kun wa na orido yegbe kun wa Johnny Bizugbe si rume president o river e manave we election we boy egbe na mu ne Johnny Bizugbe e mani o ga taverna we Johnny Bizugbe ye president mana e ma ya ati e president. Yes. Imana yet imaji ati Johnny Bizugbe president. E me so waro we the social media na if they don't bull people. Iye mana bull ma, iye mi viewer, iye mi go. Iye mana we saga, iye mi viewer, iye mi go. We understand. Betu wa ya yegbu wa yunu. Ozwo wa hinia, uwazwo ni ama henia. Mana ni we saga na ma vin gitu wazwo na. If no say ni mana na henge tu wazuo runda mana ka we wisaga gbera ne. So mana ka we wogi magbera ne. Ma ene nda wazuo runda ri ma we du evege ni bete imagi wuwa na wuzo na hin na zuo ni ri ma we adu evege ni. O wazuo ni. Yes. So Omarok pa edegbe la dia social media do ka we Johnny Bizugbe eyan president. Oma nevo mana ama egie. Oma nevo lobo ema ama egie. Ubere Johnny Bizugbe ni market e president igade o wa worki emi ya ma me la platform me Johnny Bizugbe na izazane do esoto do esuhun. Ima make ne Johnny Bizugbe na im post a picture man there. Woman very nice most wanted, you know. My very nice message to. My very nice message to remind me of there. Egene Johnny Bizugbe na West Agwan. Ma veti Johnny Bizugbe forget about Esther. Believe Esther matter. You know concern you concern Esther. Let Esther do it in. Renew your Esther. Ona gele wa hemima. Ona renew in worry. Ona wa renew in worry. Ona ewe Esther. Esther dokpa ime ka na musician. Ni mawa ka me Johnny Bizugbe were ewebo. Ona ewebo. Now, worry sunu we dene nania. Worry kan Johnny Bizugbe we dene nania. Nana do me wa iga ye Johnny Bizugbe go here. Enoge no we wene mi no we wene mi oni we la wadia e ma we wa boyo yan wa vio ma kan wa no give Johnny Bizugbe ya can settle va ho e bamba na baba na ya settle ne. Bamba na baba na ya settle ne. Dia wi ya can settle va ho e. Bi ya hin. O ma kan wa ni ko yo Huh? Èmi náà kan mà. Oh ma wo. Oh ma be la dia do ata. Huh? So ni memi e woni wan wala ho. Wage I beg me fear me where let the past be the past, let the present be the present. Not do the present, not do the past, not do the past, not do the present. For me, as soon as where Agmoya all that the honor vote in the Johnny Bizugbe where Johnny Bizugbe is the president, Johnny Bizugbe still remain the president. I feel where here. I feel where you making a muerie. We understand? I making a muerie. You are a president. You are a president. You are a president. And that president, he shall remain. That president, he shall remain. Because also boy ma, emi fi weriye. Demi ma fi weriye bu wana zen on social media, bu wana so no ma babe on social media. O mana fi weriye bo. Mana ni enegbe noro o fi weriye bo bima. Akpa we mi ne Johnny Bizugbe gbinayi tu wa gele support eri boyo ye ke wa ami we yes emi ya worki. O de yo ye kwero ye gan. O ye kwere. O ye gan. No wa ya support wa we yes oga supersede wa. Wa na fi emi wa weriye wa na fi weriye yo obo. But the problem is that where ore ma riko toge Johnny Bizugbe be ma o but ore ma riko is still our president, he still remain president. Johnny Bizugbe or a president ima that we hated the Mofi or see any na gwan we na ima hated the Mofi ima hate Omar Okpa ezemegia make him memegia ti hated the Mofi Wegberu die my boy ka me some misunderstanding no magume ma ya forgive na ye na ni ma na ye forgive na where all the issue Johnny Bizugbe ma ye president I vote Johnny Bizugbe yan we ran na ya ko be ran na afian ya gbo we na yikpo iko okpa Anakin and the 1 billion uma be uma anu hin avedo mu ma ye profile we oye wo nu gwabo ka bi azu o ti bi era no kwa erera nu gwabo ka gbazu o we ni ewe mu azu na we mu ye e profile we wa gwogwa agbo epa yi idiot ewuhin monkey. So we ma ve di Mofi kame some makame some little misunderstanding or see ni na do ka we ri ona da rudoni no never so boy ma ari ogona be mu president na. So for that simple reason Johnny Bizugbe ma as a president. Johnny Bizugbe is our president. I fear where my fear where you're a president of social media. Pani no rebohan. Pani no rebohan. Pani ha ewe. Odo you know how. Odo you know ta win your president. Johnny Bizugbe a vote ne. So na vote na be no you know ta okpa. So Johnny Bizugbe man. Yes. And where you are nobody, go and play. Fine. Yeah. I be nobody. People will be somebody. They never do something. People where you believe say na somebody, they never do something. We will be nobody. We the art where we dey now. Now we dey here. I no block you. We be nobody. But who now they call somebody? At the movie where you want call somebody now, for example, now what you don't do? Nothing. You not pass. You go carry your papa picture come out tomorrow. You go carry your mama picture come out. You go curse your papa, curse your mama. If now the movie you will write this one come from not here, born ravish you when you go curse your children, bull you anyhow, describe your wife to twice a big. Go say don't fuck your wife. Me way. Understand? We will be nobody. As you talk so now, fear not go let us insult you, papa, insult your mama, insult your wife or your children. Now, as you say, we be nobody. So, the person will be somebody. You go feel insult you, insult your papa, insult your mama tomorrow. Who me and you? Ogbo hands down. Who we me rockba? Who feel see you so? But man, somebody now. We will be nobody now. Where they respect you, for example, now. Fear no go let us insult your papa, insult your mama, insult your wife and your children. With you, even your unborn children, fear not let us try am. Because we be nobody. You know what I say? That we will be nobody. Now be somebody. We fear not let am insult you. Oh, Jude, leave that thing. Oga Jude, leave that thing. Why you dey talk like that? Why you go say he still remain the president? Who give am? I no go give. I no go green. I no go green. I no go green. If everybody green, me who go, I no go green. Me will be nobody. Bros, I no go green. Senior man, I no go green. Above for you, I no agree. Oh. Senior man, I no go green. I no go green. If Eddie na still president, I no go green. You know why I no go green? Tomorrow, you go curse our papa, curse our mama, come describe our mama to curse us, curse our children, curse your generation. I no go green. Jude, Ikwe, enough he be my president, lala. Oh, dear, this did made the president. Press waiting. Press waiting. Johnny Bizugbe is still our president. Johnny Bizugbe remain the president. Onugba wa emi Johnny Bizugbe na do agbe orun ona we no run ke ona ga ye bokal orun be social media. Johnny Bizugbe si remain the presido. Presido is a remain. Ajaja ne na miemi oye. Vagadi. Is he remain the president. Amarime dekin agbe. Orime. If no say ni mana muhedi. Anya me adekodu hun soto ne. Odokin ori bieka. If no say ni mana muhan we. He can see insult us tomorrow. Now our papa and our mama na want to insult rich. Ugo Bizugbe is not capable to be a president. Fine. What on me is not capable, but is fighting the evil that is under people on social media bullying people. causing many atrocity on social media. That boy, they fight for truth, they talk truth. Una no dey lis ten to am. Na so me wey be nobody dey talk that time wey dem not lis ten to me. Where everybody take go see wetin dem see so. Mona no vex o. Oga Jude no vex o. Na fact I dey tell you so. You understand? Arenakina, Joy Lolo, you mumusha? Yes na mumu na. If you be better person as I dey mumu so you suppose come in and tell me say bros you mumu na. No dey do that kind thing, no dey do this kind thing again. Abeg bros, come one side. You position me for one place where be say I no for be mumu again. Be careful. Me I still block. Oh no, I not block you. I go leave you. Be careful. Know the way we take the talk. You see, since when I dey talk, since I never insult anybody, you come now, you can't insult. Are you mad? Till they worry you now. Calm down first. Now me and Oga Jude now they talk that. So Oga Jude, you understand me? I dey learn. Okay, fine. J.O. best. Okay, J.O. best. Fine. Now. As you come to say you dey kick against Johnny Bizugbe now. Me, I dey kick against Eddie Murphy now. Now who you go gon give now? J.O. Oga Jude say Johnny Bizugbe not capable. But in the real sense, I know when I tell Johnny Bizugbe me now. Ekene Johnny Bizugbe na fuck up Jude David. Where Johnny Bizugbe for fuck up, he say he go for no your talk about Esther. Go for no your talk Esther matter. Oh, what you know ye story. Fine. If any na fuck up where they go Esther ye Esther was oh why we Esther. But orig be very honest. Johnny Bizugbe is very capable to be the president because also boy man. We go sorry for the bad comment. You are somebody in Jesus' name. Amen. John, Jude David. Oh, I greet you. Amen. We understand the man, Jude. The fact be say, Edina chairman, fine. We are attorney. We are here. Edina chairman, J.O. You know what here? The association where we met. Where all of us can even Johnny Bizugbe still dey. Johnny Bizugbe can be president. Now me can be the vice president for that our meeting. That one I just normal private mission. I just even you have a time for a man, know. Everybody know. We all of us we know where for the sea. So the list Johnny Bizugbe Eddie. Now can be the father. We not give Eddie president. Now be our father. Eddie can be the father of the meeting as a patron. Eddie now be patron of the meeting. You understand? Eddie now be for that meeting. Now be the patron. We can't say president too low for him. More give him patron. Which our father. Now he can be our father for that meeting. Then Ibizugbe can be president, me can be vice. You understand? For that meeting, that time. But I will say maybe we want disrespect and for example, we not give her that position now. But we give her that position. But that thing where we say may he do. I will say I did do that in that time. Peace go there everywhere now. I did not do one because of that thing. Where we say me I did not do, where I did do. Now make I did come up for the association. You understand? Edio kokima ya fefefe. Obe kokima no na bizarima. Why? Because where ni uni ma kick against the way pass stop. Not do this one. Leave these things more your rest. Make more matter die like that. You understand? What a dick cannot do does not exist. Nodo ya mu no ore bawa. Ora vapi wo. Ona vapi wo deso. Egbo ho. O vapi. I like am o. If the man get creativity, na wetin I don like am for be that. Eddie have the wisdom of creative. He just get creative well, and I like am for that one. Ọ̀rọ̀ àvàpí ọ̀hún, àwa wetin sí yan? Eddie, ọ̀và ẹnu ẹ̀, uwe ahẹ́, wẹ́lẹ̀, ọ̀nà àvàpí ọ̀hún. Epi na di mo fi va imo hu de na vo na we believe e we o man of vapi do. Ya te believe for de, ya te ria de. Eddie, Eddie, Ugu, what I want to beg you, dear, is not in this life. Please forgive Frank Victor and return the curse you lay on him, please. We know what na problem solving. Did Jude David, the day when I will still do when I will return the course, I go see paste am for Facebook, say I don't return am. Na so my life you be, bros. You are the first person wey dey tell me so me I return am. You are the first person wey you dey tell me now say me I return the course. I swear. As I just still tell you so, as you just tell me so, it don't come out from my mind. You see, now me will still buy items wey does still return that course. I'll still put am for Facebook say I don't return the course. Na so my life be. Ofone. Memege. Imege marokpa. I no get anybody time because I know say you etik be man. Now me dey talk and I might die and I go die. You might be like me no fit kill me back when here then you awu yon. So, my people, Zebebe Magata, Wogedi, Ima station, Understand? Ima station, Vogue Johnny Bizuk Beno Wareva. Johnny Bizugbe walao wasi aye president no yeni wage save ton orefo ne oga save ton orefo ne wati de gbe mu na di were gbe or wa mu no ma be Eddie Murphy don supposed to be social media president again by now. Eddie Murphy supposed to be social media godfather. Eno gyoge social media amie wo ma ka kwegwan social media ma ka ya mie Eddie Murphy ne e ladian e worki by now. Better magwawe so makwe Eddie Murphy anrin ye like president na tinye emi ya fefe no ri awa we no ya dollar yi sian may I tell you nothing like if person wey dey call you that day offend you by yourself carry phone you call and say lariwo worry we mewe ye gugun awere eyi hu ahin ya na that pikin go use his sense content us say daddy regu ibere nu we ya lu mebe too much gbe daddy regui na that settlement for the come. You suppose me Eddie Murphy use that kind of settlement or everybody wey know say you offend for the social media lifestyle may go use that idea follow all of them. Aviale le riti e bon men be social media na aviale le vo ye na dede no amu mi ari ogidi gan no ari ohwe yo meko. Owe pa wa hwe. Igo na viele lo wede ni yemu mela di ari ogidi gan salobua menugo e mata mawe na ata melu igo ni ekeno mu mi ari ekena na hie ogokpa kankan be 8 € 50 cents 8 € 50 cents voge biokpa o mu mi ari ekena na ye 25 € ya nwe pepe soup oviu wawa pa kankan o mu me ari ina nwe pepe soup ina nwo ge bie nne ina de gbe vi onoda ene ye po again o mo no ro bi many him social media o. So anybody na the Murphy yen offend in the social media na we no see my afefefe koko no see makugbe we no group ima e WhatsApp magi awo ma mi ya marun 8 e Zoom ro e do ro o e do no ro ni marun 50 e Zoom marun 130 e Zoom mu we no ku ma ya fefe ku gbebe Zoom dadoge do toge ari wa dolo emi ya fefe ye huere ma we baba wo yerima ma ewene no yo ya aya ya fefe nyenye uyo yo aya fefe nyenye ne u expect ma we ni mado ari ogo no we can't re ogo no my guy we can never re ogo no we can't we ni mari ogo no nu we azogege badima we are we ni mari ogo no ni ma we osemahin say we are friend. If you want us to be a real friend, don't bull anybody on social media. Don't insult anybody's father on social media. Don't don't talk anything about our Benin Kingdom on social media. Then don't insult any of our Ikame, any of our Obo, any of our whatever in Edo State. Then Mario Gonue. Emi no keke ni marigwa lobo bed the mofi now. Ibude. Duari ibude ni ma. Mana ni veda we wan dina no maybe him rock bana. Oga, can't teach us something. Dori bude ni ma. We be din man ah. We are ye 47 copy 53 ah. You are 53. Ototi we mana ye. We have to respect you. As we are respecting you, please give us an idea how to get it. Ni mame na ari ogo nu ehia la wowo dioma la wowo baba for the presidential ma ye fi nu were oga Jude no vessel I no see change mat Jude David I no change mat na Ibizugbe na be our president Marigwale the Mofive social media president social media godfather ma ina gwale yin ora Ona lu 16 already. If you use in 99 well. That time don't be tested. Then okay, our godfather, our king. Or it go be our papa, not be president. President still get their godfather now. No. Edimof not supposed to be president again. You supposed to be godfather. Now you supposed to be father us. Well, understand. Ni o ha garu won pari ladi and ogun egun abi social media ma ya wa agwo wa. So, mama really do we social media we igbina ye social media president. Mama really do we social media president. Social media godfather ma ina need do we. So ma ekedo mo social media godfather ni nu we ka emi ya fefefe nu weri ya wa ka ya dole ya yi ne. Wa I dole yi ne ma don we exist with social media world the lifestyle na. Okay, we have about 50,000 people viewers, 50,000 viewers, watch you. Mama, you can't you as nothing. We still count you as nothing. So, Bobby, deal yourself. Gianni Bizugbe, I mean, we if you book, you do. We have a and we see a guy that can not make bet key with it bebo. If you like even it's nana or phone or kiene. Any like a why you bought batty Johnny Bizugbe and up John or my way and I when I've drop a or what fear or drop a instantly. Johnny Bizugbe no fit do anything to do the talk. No worry. Mo fair live first. If you know fit still act well, now we go still come and see this gwagwara na. Ma do ki okboy na. Now we dey cure na. We will still come and we come cure. Where is it? Was Johnny Bizugbe? So at the movie, you are social media godfather. Social media godfather, social media king. Now you be, not be president again. You too big for president. So not follow Johnny Bizugbe drag president or whatever. We know say now you fair come at that and say you be president. Oh well, you know that I vote in a Johnny Bizugbe. Or lobe Johnny Bizugbe ma. Emi no lobo ma. If no low bomb mama, no so bomb mama. Oh Mario boy, a jevo yo bo. A me agi. Evo na so bomb mama. A mama ni agi. A mama ni we. Roda unori agi bo padayi. Unhueri yo ene. As soon as I reach a president in he remain our president. Because olo boy ma. We 10 oge, emi ya be ye huere niya, tina. So wa gen enjoy 10 oge. E 10 oge agbane, wa TV de gbe 30 yo. Or wa 30 ye me. Beni manager na manager yenti do 30 ye president na do mo president ni mania. O. You understand? Na Tony Kababa ka na give a pa president to. Oma gbe Tony Kababa ka ya ma. So as soon as we na he give her president, Tony Okpamwe president in any ya. Oge Johnny Bizugbe, a worldwide or voter, I vote Bizugbe. I call in yako. I vote Bizugbe. I vote Bizugbe. I vote Bizugbe. I read okay voting ya or not voting in Bizugbe or Bunse. So I vote in a Tony Okba or Mwe. Omune orwa adien diwo omagbeto ni yama mobe kio evege ni no ya ewebe meto ni kabaka eni lawage awala wowo veni manager na makin agbe na position a godfather magigbe na yi godfather social media king king. Okay. A saga king is very different in the social media king. Social media king. Social media godfather. Managi binayi. Petro. Social media loga. Alati agbera agbiye de no ki ati agbera agbiye de no de. Mayana gwale no a president. Mayana gwale no a president igwale no. No a godfather me mege or work very how me have apply. How can someone like this be calling himself John Rebe? How can he be a president of all people? Never he don't have the ability to be a president. Area David Jude area where I'm not so no if not see on that we rebellion he where ave riani ni maune ye PCR ya yo rebellion ya o si edu viere na we rebellion hi o ma eto makari wa ka we rebellion hi ni a o guadami o why to Edimofi make your man. Idiri fat. Edimofi your man here. Edimofi make your man. So we don't drop. So a young person might equal of a president or a run as president. So Edimofi your man. Erima Edimofi our godfather. Now Edimofi can't be now. Edimofi our god papa, our godfather. Patron, Erowa, Facebook. He president. Papa for you. J.O. Best imagine like Bizugbe at all. J.O. Best. You must like Bizugbe by thunder by fire. Maybe no attach me and you. Now here we did now. You must like Johnny Bizugbe. Who are most to like her? Who we are most to like Johnny Bizugbe? Under most, you know. Ni managilito na mi ana wina gilita. Everybody are all human. O managbon ma ya taking. Me na eti bobi na me na we like we so pa we yes definitely I must like me na say me na better. Egu. Wizzy HQ. I greet you. My HQ dey with me. I dey use am well. That man 99. He dey well sound. How they want to click this your YouTube this thing this wait till you click so. I for say me a pinner, but if I pinner, they'll feel click me a pinner. Fair answer me first. They'll feel click. They'll feel click as you do. So if I pinner, Wheezy. Me I fair pin sha. I don't pin her, but you sure say they'll fit the click am like that. I don't pin her. So we understand they have a new one. Managbo mayaki, okpa mayaki, mateke kini mate take bima. Okay, let me do the judging. They no fit enter your YouTube like this, so but I don't pin her. Because they tell line ile level toto bani omo agba click e ogwa river ni ze omo agba click o river we ya we no wa click e kin show but I don't know. So ana we ni mageleta bagi nageleta okpa maya kin sha o omo nagbon maya kin ma make ma le gbe mari social media na ma na va gbe ma na mi gbe Eddie I drop social media president no guy godfather patron hero president hero social media overall general overseer CEO social media company Nigeria and European Limited. If Buhari was a madman or Igbo smoker like a Bizugbe, nobody will vote him. Na manare ge Fulani yes men no. Now because they no queen no say Buhari na Fulani yes men. Jude ewe amare ge Fulani yes men. No. They tare ge Fulani yes men. Nobody for vote for am. The time when they take vote for Buhari, no say Fulani yes man never dey rain o. They tell rain never get ni egbo wo. Wetin Nigeria take fuck up? Nigeria dey think say as Buhari be, they gonna look Buhari say Buhari na old man na still na blind man in a way say they fit cheat am. They no know so man. They no fit cheat am. Oh man, Nigeria no know say they no fit cheat Buhari. Na make them vote am in. I wish say they know say they no fit cheat am for no vote am. So okay, kid, Buhari still get godfather now. Now that position we want more we put Eddie Murphy. So Eddie Murphy go be godfather to Johnny Bizugbe, where Johnny Bizugbe will be the president. AJO Yegme. J.O. Best. We are tame no where me be Bizugbe ba. Oh Yegme re. We understand him, man. With the HQ, I accept you, I greet you. We understand. Wala wo na mi any mara gbelegbe ma ba. We can't be killing ourselves. We know if they kill ourselves because of nothing. We know if they fight ourselves because of nothing. You understand? I love everybody. Even the Eddie Murphy one at the top. So I like Eddie Murphy. I love Eddie Murphy. Oga fuck up if Boria your hour everybody. If you royal DM 53-47. Nice more it is in me. I greet you, Frank Mark. I greet you. What? Mariga. So wala wo. Iyosa lobo awo lokun imi wa wala o. Imia wa se Johnny Bizugbe a. Changes yede, changes dey come. Changes dey. Mona leave Johnny Bizugbe for that session. For that president, what say Johnny Bizugbe ayewa? No what Devani yi confirm and clear. Now Johnny Bizugbe now we want go for. Johnny Bizugbe now we know. For a part the movie, may pa no you talk about president come again. May they talk about president godfather. May the social media godfather. May they talk that one where you're a social media godfather. social media father. Ma oni maiga hon. Mama ri oni maiga hen president ibunu We understand. Article si no anine keye na mi wo ori obodo fu nyagbe vege ni. Anine ogano. Yon pa godfather presidential, yon pa godfather governorship. Yes though. Abisha o. From Muromi. Confirm. Mine. So, as we are coming talking, wala wo use a low boy I use God to beg una. If I use dog una. Johnny Bizugbe Sirume our president. While Oga Dimofi our Oga Patakpata on top. Now does not be Oga Patakpata on top. Wala not dey. Many manage there. Me, I no fit call myself president or be Oga Patakpata on top. Mona reason na 2014, 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 6 years. You know easy now. I try now. Mona go look Naija watch. Mona see where for start. You understand? Yeah, now I try. Mona reason and I try. So mana gigbina ye where presidential making gigbina ye o. Now we supposed to give one be president. We na godfather. They we bag mi agbon with social media now. Now we na Johnny Bizugbe for come bribe, come use money bribe boss. If you go bribe boss, fin go say mo put on wo hours yan ye wa we. Benedi mo fi ye ya brama do bribe me bania. Imi ave ya brabe di mofi we call di mofi pa mo ave na gema mo president la wo baba eri mewe hin baba ipa ge no be lare owoke we 3 years or rule la o okay ipa ge no lare we pa we wa do no na yi o be dai you understand akin gari brabe wo bien ba akin we gba amoma ye president anybody we the if I will say di mofi cook am well he cook am well anybody wey wan be social media president suppose to dey get one particular thing wey go dey give Edimofi. Ko get Edimofi. E go get something wey go dey give Edimofi as benefit. Epadomo o mi 200 naira degbe yi. Epadomo o mi 300 mi 150 naira degbe yi o domo sa. Wa talk pe baba. You go seek package one something like this. You go still go give like nothing wey Edimofi never see for this life. No package wey never see. I dey like Edimofi. If you buy only one bottle like this, Edimofi go appreciate am. Na be wetin I take like am. Or wa dey me 50 cents na Edimofi or appreciate wa like or wa be appreciate or worry. Wa ipa la wo be dona you ipa wa talk be domosa. They told less say okay can Edimofi ga una we. So the only social media president we know is Edimofi. Koko! Then inside your. The only social media president we know is Ibizugbe. Ibizugbe no. Edimofi wala o. Enigie ni re social media. Edimofi giri manhi. Eri magidi. Gwigejegwe. No. Go meet your mommy. Jegwe. Yeah, go and meet your mommy. Go and meet your mommy. Go and meet your mommy now. Go and meet your mommy. Go and meet your mommy. Go and meet your mommy. Okay. Do you chop frack, mama? So we understand. Wala wo. ọmọ ni máa no why social media president Johnny Bizugbe Mamuna o. Peace dey, we are one. I'm from Uromi too. Jude, you from Uromi? Yeah, maybe you go know my papa now. If you even see my face like this now, you go know say there's now maybe this. You go know my papa now. Now my papa be Gastola. Mother Gastola. Mama wey born my partner from Iviolu. So na my identity I dey give una so from Iviolu. Papa wey born me na from Uromi. Okodowa. We dey Afuda Road. So as we are coming talking, my people, abeg una no vex. I dey beg una. Na Johnny Bizugbe we know as president. Epa Edimofi muna find another position give am. We the one wey still pass president. Edimofi don too big. He don large pass presidential. Ero wa yen ri hin patron yen ri hin ori patron ori social media patron. Yen ri hin. So president wa on. I greet all of una. Who wa ya ato bagbon wa ma bagbon. I greet all of una. Even Wadoya watch him now. God go bless all of una. Johnny Bizugbe still remain the president. Johnny Bizugbe mamwe president na. Yon the president. Johnny Bizugbe la wo se no gie I won la ori ememe. Chop my word. Leave a no gie. Yeah. I beg you in the name of God. Leave a no gie. We are beg. I beg you. Say no gie. I forgive a no gie. You understand? They no get ya him here Dimofi a problem mirror may go beg am no problem. Na normal thing. You like evil beg am. Na normal thing. A normal thing, no. Agbona I make na yezori I make na yagbori everybody na one. We all one. We are all one. Understand? We be one. I beg. If you go beg am, boala no dey. Mighty where Dimofi by the man na of your book you don't any ma do way ma wa hair your video yeah the mofi here ma man na ka be rule la jan video yin ya wa la wo wa si ai ma me no na gbo business social media or whatever na we name social what gagbon ya we maybe say me ya no salobo e be ya na e we maybe social media say ya no salobo almost work pa no rodamela every day odo mo munya better in we na ma mume my head dey go where I dey go. I dey pursue something and that's something as I have. I believe in challenge. If I get that something, you wey dey bull me go come beg me for that thing. Now I dey like. I dey fight for something. I go dey fight for that thing and make sure say I get am. Anyhow wey I take get am, anything by thing I will use where I take get am. But you wey dey insult me, wey dey bull me, I go get that thing. I go want make you come beg me for the something. I don't want to come beg you for the something. I can never beg you for something. No, that is me who go. I fight for something for you to come and beg me for that something. Not for me to beg you for the something. No. That's so me I be. So I know what I dey fight for. I know what I dey fight put. I know run race when I dey run, not be social media race. The one wey dey talk for social media 24 hours I dey down beer, dey down drink, dey smoke for my background here for my house here. I don't even know if something is going on social media. People is talking on social media. If I come to answer you on social media, for example, I can only use 1 minute to watch your program before I come start to dey enter you. Yes, I fit use 1 minute till they watch your program. I just watch you wetin you talk about me. Then I'll start to dey answer you. I don't know the rest thing wey you wan talk. Man, I'll just come out for social media. I just say, hey, see, I just still talk my one. You want like what there? Aso Dr. Ojuro. Aso. So we understand. So Italo and Atalo is social media is here. Memo man me gumu gree social media. Memory on ya gree orioni wame. Orioni ya ni me hukiani because I'm a moving train. I am pursuing something. I need to get what I'm pursuing. Yemni hukiani you need get it so that we may not do name ba hue. All social media na me I dey count social media matter as meaningless. You wey dey tell for social media say I be evil. If you see me face to face, you no go fit use am against me. Na only run you go run for me. You go surprise say me wey you run for na go be your helper. So you don say I no send you wey wan run for me. So far make I dey fit dey buy something, I dey fit dey buy dey chop. I fit dey sell, I fit dey buy. Say you see me, me no rieva igbekwa na rieva ivuneko na. You just see me because of wetin you hear for social media, you see me, you run. E no concern me. The thing wey you dey find dey go, you go surprise say na me dey with. So you don't run dey go, you go run leave am. E no concern me. That is none of my business. Oma kan even when kan many Oma kan me when I we always against him. Me ma beg where me where ni aka mu where. Me I no see you talk less of wetin there. If me dey go for road sef, I no dey look person face. If person even use mistake look my face, na smile go see for my face. Bros, good afternoon. Bros, good morning. Good evening. Now you go see for my face. You can never see another thing for my face. As you pass me like this, me I no even know. If person even ask me say who go, that person will pass you just now. How far you see am? You too wetin do? I don't know. If me beg we, me beg man. Me recognize man, me go man. We are to me bambana me adegbe mi we under 30 minutes time me give him we. Cause my beg we, me me huhian. My head dey where they go. And I don't have a social media. Why tell of a social media who will tell from head to toe, hey, go do this. I don't see you. Me de media. Me will send. Gagbon mega yeve no salobo agwalo ye me ya live a life me. I don't fucking care anything whatever. Some people come out, yeah, what this gang go? Yeah, what this gang go? Is it a pride? Yeah, what this gang go? Yeah, what this gang go? You this gang go? This gang go reach next year? Go this gang go reach 2 years? You not concern me. You only come out, can't waste your time. Can't excuse yourself, they waste your time, they chat, bri. Me where they talk to, that one, I be moving train. Now where they go, now still they go. Oh, here you not concern me. The thing where you can't talk for social media, it not stop me of going where I'm heading to, of going to where I'm headed to. It not stop me. It not stop me, I not reach my destination. It not stop me, I not achieve that thing where I want to achieve. Because that thing where I want to achieve, not be black like you or person like you, now want to achieve one for me or now want to give me. No. If I see black like you want to give me, before I reach where that one, then my God don't already change am. If I see reach, they go say, hey, now you be go, hey, I not go help you. Fuck you, fuck your help. Fuck you, fuck that thing where you get, where God never fit create. So people they will pass you will get that thing. Before all my fans will like me, before I follow all of them around, I go see the one way go get them. So you where I go meet where go say you know get them. Like one boy that time. So we can't go one party like that. Where we reach there, the boy bring money to come. So based on say bring money to come, as we come say more start to enter motor, make they go drop us because the place far inside Banyan. Make they come drop us for train station before we enter train. The boy they do mathematics, they cast, they raise shoulder up. Based on say the boy na another person fans that time, I don't know how to talk am. He say me I go enter. He can't beat am up and down. You know your knock out to me say me I go enter the other another person motor or me I wait for motor or me I use leg take go train station. No, you know your knock out to me. He can't beat am around. He can't twist am up and down. Me who go, I believe myself. I know say yes, now me be who go. In the turn as they twist am, I say get out. He just get a job. Excuse, he just fall down, they look me. If they excuse am up and down, instantly they tell her, get her job. Abuna, can't go car answer. As I can't answer, there's that motor to take. Before me go car, I don't already press my phone. Motor don't come, nah. Ugo wiayaku, odogu. Eya remote rene. Eya surprise, I we booty motor, music is there. At your daddy, vedia. Ihe la we motor na we and another way. We you still dey learn. But that's something na make me and that boy come be friend. I will come to be friend. As I reach house in the morning, a conscience orema give here. He can't call me. Conscience no let am sleep. He can't call me bros. No verse. I know say you be social media influencer now. Definitely. I know say you go get person. You this and that. Leave that talk. Forget that thing. You understand? My brother, for Europe, I never buy motor. Not be say if I say me I buy motor, I know if he buy. But the problem is I not get driving license. That motor where you dey drive, if I want buy, I go still buy at times 3 with idea. Instantly, I know go as come back, come pay. I go pay that instantly. Understand? I know they are reject anybody, my guy. You be my person. Forget. That same area, now I go shoot my film. The boy regard me. He buy drink come for me. But again, man, I neglect you when I go salobo with him. But he neglect you when not doing well. Yes. That thing where you get another people, they will get the one we pass that one. We understand. A real life is you. Why? Because hand clean. My hands are clean. I love people with their hand clean. And so my own self still clean. What I want, neither they give me. If I want something, I will grab it. If I don't want, I still let you say I don't want them. You understand? So wala wo. The Mofi Michael Keno Gagmina ye presidential. May they fight for Godfather. May they fight for top or gown top. Now the Mofi supposed to they fight on. Not be Godfather. Not be president. Mona leave Johnny Bizugbe there. Maybe Johnny Bizugbe do what he want do. May he settle down and repair everything. Or a code dollar ye ne. E Johnny Bizugbe a dollar ye. Inya aria ewa. No agba. No rang. Johnny Bizugbe wa dollar ye. Fine. My beg or with the sian. With the repair. Or here. Johnny Bizugbe is trying. So this saga, so may anybody not put fire. Can't pass this one again. May anybody not put fire past this saga. As is your end, so as is your reach, so may reach for there. There, baby, So Johnny Bizugbe la wo oge no gie. Ima ogo ma be o. Oge no gie okpa Oge no gie no ro la wo. La diane no gie. Uga dobo la diane no gie. La o erovio se ayo bueno. Kaye kemenotani kayi material si ayo la wo. Enogie. You take call it wo mambe mo call ewe won nogie ewe do wa be the Mofi settle na problem iro normal no normal no since you and the Mofi don settle problem no dey down na normal but say Johnny Bizugbe no be president again no okay no am regard the here we ba e get why so say Johnny Bizugbe no be president we no sign that one. Johnny Bizugbe still remain the president. Mona found another post way past presidential. Mona give her the Mofi. But for the president, Johnny Bizugbe still remain president. So Bizugbe say no gear. No gear. Wherever you roll Johnny Bizugbe, where me Johnny Bizugbe won la wo. Where regui la wo. Where dove of here making the Johnny Bizugbe na be offend you where la wo. Ona making the Johnny Bizugbe na offend you where la wo ya wo ho say Johnny Bizugbe aye ewe me Johnny Bizugbe won la wo wiye me no wiye me enogie no wiye me la o se Johnny Bizugbe aye oraro kan na offend we se aye ewe won mo ezo yoto mo eme yoto agbona na ye na ame na ye merie we hien ti do hien osie di mo fi vedene na no we do hien bi Johnny Bizugbe because again we na ga hien Johnny again we na ga hien di mo fi una ga osie Johnny Bizugbe na nia ugu hien sie di mo fi nenia again u hien do hien Johnny Bizugbe we to bu we hien no wan ubielene umohuwa you are a responsible husband you are a responsible man weto buwe mukpa mu werenge o ege go reasona to bowe ya o uhia eti hie ege nu wabe dimofina ga ohie egbe wabe Johnny Bizugbe na ga ose wabe dimofi gibe hien se nenia then when I do hien Johnny Bizugbe wherever la wo oviye e mata na dereverian e work la wo la wo gimaya ko gbina viegwele la wa gamwe fua you understand venu hien osie venu ve ayimi demofini e problem iro u ayimi demofini no problem you understand agbo ma ye me social media na va social media na ve segbe so agbina yo you understand we yin ne no problem a problem iro you understand you but enu do weru do ni na no do hin ogin Johnny Bizugbe no so u ma hin ogin ma rokpa ru da ya hin ye edimofi o u ma hin ogin ma rokpa o ma ti offend me ben ya hin ya o ma ti do offend me ban we do hin ya me egbe be na ejudi ban where me I go return the course when I course that guy you know okay no time maybe tanan hamane okay o wa fune matter fune even bagire ho me eri wa ye real life image so be keke nu we be aje be my brother iri mi yeko understand wala wo wala you get why wala wo wa give my ko settle down with me the evil ones God go see they do them. You understand? The ones we no get heart of forgiveness, God go see they do them. As we day, we know how we take day now. We no get time for trouble. But the ones where they get time for trouble, they see. They might boom waro of social media now. If they hear about to go message to go ya do sama when you waran wa. Hey, message to go go gwan. Ya wa do this gwan go. Ya wa do this gwan go. Na me we proud, you know. Na me wo mere to hin ari mi agbon yu table na me wete mu go hin ari mi agbon yu table mi go me agbon ru table me no go nu we bulu I move ahead I be movie train I move o hin aje na ye ide your termination na to get creativity for social media my termination na to get wetin my children want eat. My termination na to lay something down where my children till they remember me. My termination na to Zubimake people come out they bully Zubimake till today unko he get money he build mansion but you will want come bully Zubimake not get for room. He get for Enugu, he get for Lagos, he get for Abuja. He not before 4 room he get to mansions now he get. But who they bull for social media not get for room. You know if you get land, talk less of say you want build boys quarter. Now so me will go self CB. You will go they bull me. My termination na to dey invest for children. My termination na to how to make my family okay. I get wife, I get family, I get papa, I get mama, you know, I get junior ones. I need to position them. And there they go. Not be the one who they do for social media. The chance when I still get like this, nothing they do social media. I they position something. Get why? I get children. I need to position them. So your focus in social media. My focus in how to take care of people. We follow. We they around me. Now maybe senior. I need to do something. wey be say if I don hold pass this one tomorrow now, I no go too suffer. I no go suffer. I no go dey regret. If I don hold like this now, na left and right now to dey chop food. Yes, bring 50 euro come for me. Hey, 500 euro come for me. Hey, find this one come for me. Hey, wetin dey worry? Ah, na kina. Come on, gbale 200 dey gun eba gun ya dey gbe. I no get money o, I no get fuel o, fuel no dey my motor o, I bin wan go mama sabo yen dance o. Okay. Go bring money come. I go buy fuel, take go dance where they go for Oronigbo. Ni ana to agmo. Ni ana ma agmo. I tell you no. Ekme. Isaiah. So, me ma focus here social media wa I love you all. I still remember General Kodu wa Ugo. Johnny Bizugbe still remain our president. Ye president Orima. Wahan. Johnny Bizugbe ye president Orima. Wahan. I still remember General Kodu wa Ugo. Odogo Akataka. Small pikin we no dey fear uncle we go fit beat am. Animal we no dey fear lion. Or kalamo. I see that small boy we dance around Serugede. He come back alive. Now maybe that small boy they follow spirit, they snap picture ajomili. Ede kananya. Ome kananya. Ome tuetue nanya. Odogu one. Ogene. Understand? Wagiamwezofwa ezema. So you will feel say me bullying people. Now they put food for your table. Now that food where you go put for your table now still bullying food. Understand? We una where they bully people. We still there we know what we they do. We still the bull on our back. We go they progress. You where the bull person go they down for. I they like that kind of situation. Understand? Me, any country when I enter, I dey focus. Know what I dey focus on? I know they pursue money like that. I focus to make sure say I get 2 legs for that country. I'll focus. I'll follow on. I dey pursue on. I'll make sure say I get on. You understand? I'll make sure say I get that thing. So that me you can't beg me tomorrow. Understand? So I dey focus. National intelligence matters a lot. Understand? That make you tested. Not be what you dey talk for social media. Now yeah. Me I live on now. I want to do akada small.